Namaskar, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session, today I am delighted to discuss with you the topic quadratic expression, that is the part of your curriculum, that is the part of your algebraic portion of your mathematics. So, for the sake of convenience of your understanding, let me allow to share with you the screen and see this. This is quadratic expression. First of all, I would like to draw your attention toward the concept that what is the difference between a quadratic expression and a quadratic equation. You know, and you have already written that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is the standard form of a quadratic equation. If ax square plus bx plus c is not equal to 0, then that is the quadratic expression, that is the standard form of a quadratic expression. And here in this case, a, b, c are also digits and a is not equal to 0. And a quadratic expression is leading to the corresponding quadratic equation. And you can say in so many cases the converse of the statement is also true. So for the you can say for your understanding, let us see here. This is x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Sorry, x square plus 1 is here. We have just x square plus 1. It is not equal to 0. Nothing is equal to. This is simply x square plus 1. So this is a quadratic expression. If it is not equal to 0 and the power of the variable is 2, then it means this is a quadratic. I have already discussed with you that the meaning of the quadratic means 2. And so here you see a quadratic expression, or like in Latin it is read as quadratus, and this is equivalent, and the meaning of this quadratus is squared is an expression involving a squared term, that is x square plus 1. This is not equal to 0. Or you write this 3xy minus 2x plus 1. This is also an expression, but this is not quadratic because this is not containing any power as 2. So students, I hope that you have understand that what is the meaning of the quadratic expression. Quadratic expression and quadratic, there is a very thin line difference between quadratic equation and quadratic expression. If you are writing ax square bx plus c is equal to 0 and by mistake you are not equating it is equal to 0, then you are writing quadratic expression. And if you are writing quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c and by mistake you are writing is equal to 0 or is equal to something 596, anything else, any digit. So that gives you a quadratic, but that gives you a quadratic equation. So in this concern, we should also know that the expansion and the multiplication of the factors, how it is multiplied, this is very basic. This is part of your earlier study, that if you have 2x minus 5 and x plus 2, then just multiply these two factors as by your ordinary means, ordinary way of multiplication. Take 2x and multiply this 2x to x plus 2, and then take minus 5 and then multiply to this x plus 2, and finally you are getting this on simplification. So you may be asked some factors and you are supposed to do the multiplication, that is very basic for you, so you can do easily And in question number 1, if you given x plus 3 into x minus 4, then you have to multiply these two factors. I hope you can do 2x minus 3 into 3x minus 2. You can also do the same. So students, one thing that is important for you, that you should know how to factorize a quadratic expression. For that, I hope you know the factorization since your school study. But one thing I would like to suggest you, that if you have given any quadratic expression and you have to do factorization of that, then you should write firstly the corresponding equation of that, and you should find the root alpha and beta by the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. With this you can find alpha and beta. Then you should write a formula, as I am saying you, formula for factorization of a quadratic expression. Let us write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to, right please, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to, again I am repeating, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to a small, here you have written a small a small b and a small c, note it always. In your quadratic expression, you have written a small ax square plus a small bx square, all small letters. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to a small a into x minus alpha into x minus beta. Then, with the help of this standard formula of factorization, you can find, you can say, factorization of any quadratic expression of order 2 means quadratic. So students, and if you want to check that the factor you are doing and the result you are getting is correct or not, then you should put the value of that in the given function, and the function, the value you have obtained will be satisfying, that will be giving you is equal to 0. So this is the way to check the test for the factor of a function. And solving a quadratic equation, I have already told you this is the way. So student, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query or in case of any doubt, you are requested that kindly put your comment in the inbox. I shall try to resolve your query from there. Also, I suggest you that during live session, you can discuss any part of this logic, any part of this discussion of quadratic expression. If that is not easily understandable for you, or if there is any room of confusion for you. So students, thank you very much for listening and enjoying this lecture. Thanks a lot.